Khép tu song song te hin sa vai in che bai le ve ko le kan lu dam tlang lo mem Tunlai khovel mun hrang hrang a chiat na thi na atam le maya chanchin te kan han thler chonin thi na le chiat na a thleng tam em maya chung ho chu kan en ho nga news chen khat kan en ho don di Colombia rama 7.4 magnitude in lirang hinga building tam tak building lian pui te motor lir thei thatak tak te nastakina ati chia a ti chuanin China a pom typhoon dolphin natakin at le boka China mi pui te har sada sang sang tok meka chung vel chu tu na hianin video kan en ho don ni le chon kan en main message pakhat tu chia le chu ka du a tuna hianin mi hring eng ang mi po ilo ni mai thei tual tha mang ilo ni mai thei ruk mang po ilo ni mai thei dot soi mang po ilo ni mai thei mi dang te mangai thei mi alo ril ru put pu mi po ilo ni mai thei voinian eng ang mi po lo ni la pathian chonin ang mangai reng che ani in chira anhen i thlen hun alo ngak reng che ani chuwang chu pathian min mangai na hi aro puya pathian ne na in tulut la imang anna thlen ro ti hi aka message satan kan soi du video kan en hoang khai so building liam pui so at chim rem rum mai so aba han ui om em song building so sai so an motor te hi aba lam na sa ve so an che dul mai so an lam dul mai aba pui ve nani so electric ban so building so building so tiang building lian pui so tiang so na chan lui mai so tlabal aba han ui om sum tam tak senga sum mai pialama tha tam tak senga an sak chu ani om se aba han pui vong tak so building te so car te so mana to don ni car man to tak building so po enro so khai achim tarup mai le khai so thing te so khit le ang ve la ni na ni hi liang hing hi Colombia ho hin khong ai thak hle mai
A powerful earthquake struck western Colombia, causing extensive damage across several departments. The hardest hit areas included
motor te somo anom he to lo an che lui mai ni khai song tiang a dir na so chu a chia po an saturani song building thapui te so han ui om tak em so khai ro song te so building dian tak chu ni so po atar bal rem rum mai athar han sale tu chuanin so tiang ang pangai din le tu chuanin sum le pai tha tam tak se na ngai don sia in recover le na tan chon aban hu phur om
Está temblando a esta hora aquí en Quito. A esta hora está temblando aquí en Quito. Mire. Temblando aquí en Quito.
reported damaged buildings and collapsed structures, while authorities warned residents about unstable sites and possible aftershocks. San Jose del Palmar and Novita were also strongly affected, with local resources stretched by the emergency. The destruction created an urgent need for additional government assistance and rescue support.
chim le dol chim le da chim le ta bas te kusan hum le an om le le thei to lo thing kung te cha dul mai song te so repair that le sia then te chu repair that le mai tu te chun ninga then te chu sak that ve ngai te khan ni to hom don sia.
Some people were feared trapped inside damaged buildings, prompting authorities to request additional rescue personnel from Bogota and Medellin. Residents were urged to leave buildings with major cracks or instability. Military facilities and other infrastructure around Cali and Buenaventura were also affected.
Colombia ho chu.
Creo que se viene, sabemos que se viene.
Song ka son building lian pui mai ka sum tam tak senga an siam te kha tha le sum senga an siam te kha so ti son chetam mai chun ya an han ko ngai thak em heng an motor te an bus te poi chelui mai ni he ko an da ti so po so an temple ho pui tak ni om tak ni song te so chim mai don chu chi pa thang san chetana
Experienced substantial structural damage and became a major center for emergency response and assessment. Buildings were damaged during the intense shaking, requiring authorities to inspect structures and coordinate rescue operations. The Metacaña International Airport was temporarily closed for safety inspections after the earthquake. Cartago and Buenaventura were also affected, with both airports temporarily suspended while authorities inspected facilities for possible earthquake damage. Transportation infrastructure faced severe disruption as officials examined runways, terminals, and other structures. In Buenaventura, the coastal location added importance to maintaining safe connections.
Typhoon trip we power. Pui ria pre motor ding lai po chem thu top mai nia typhoon hi cho ho mani China typhoon dolphin anti thenga na khop mai he thing kung te po chem pho hloi mai lom le ko poi chunga na takani.
Central provinces of Hubei and Henan, while also pushing moisture north. Before Typhoon Dolphin hit China, it helped intensify seasonal monsoon rains in the Philippines, which set off flooding and landslides on the main northern island region of Luzon, including in the densely populated city of Manila. Across the Philippines, more than a dozen people have died as a result of the floods, landslides, and accidents linked to the downpours. 7 of the deaths were in the northern resort town of Baguio, as a rain-drenched mountainside collapsed on 3 houses. Rescuers are still searching for several missing people.
Hey, vetung hisu Uttarakhand state Chamoli district Niti Valley muna ruasurna salutuk wangin tui hok le chir luang tha chuan thir leilon do lai anol chia ani.